Hey, good morning, everyone. Rory Powers, Right Line Trading. This broadcast is for demonstration educational purposes only. It's important to know that there is a significant amount of risk associated with trading the financial instruments. If you're not familiar with the risks associated with trading, please do yourself a favor and consult with a licensed financial advisor. It's important to know I am not one of them. Hey, good morning, everyone. Good morning, Rao, Edward, Duke, Marcy, Sam, K9. Tom, Terrence, thanks for joining me this morning. Good morning, Judy. Good morning, David. Good to see you, sir. All right, let's take a quick look at the Forex Factory. Today is Thursday, June 5th. If you're joining us today, that's the good news. Hallelujah. You woke up this morning. That's always a plus. Let's see what's going on today in the news reports. At 8:30, we had a big report come out, the unemployment claims. What was the news? At 8:30, about 50 minutes ago. Jobless claims rise for second straight week. Claims was 247,000, increase of 8,000 from the previous week's revised level. A little bit of a rise in unemployment. That was at 8:30. Revised non-farm, revised unit labor costs, trade balance, all at 8:30. Next report coming out is 10:30. 10:30. 10 o'clock, there's an orange folder, Canadian IV PMI. 10:30 a.m. natural gas storage. And those will be the news reports that affect us during this live stream. It's always a good idea to see what economic news reports are coming out. This way you don't have a live account enabled during a red folder, red flag report. If today's your first day joining us, my name's Rory Powers. I'm with Right Line Trading, and we're going to be trading our automated bots this morning. Once these bots are enabled on the NinjaTrader 8 platform, which is the platform that they run on, NinjaTrader 8. Any broker or prop firm that supports the NinjaTrader 8 platform, you'll be able to leverage these bots, because once they're enabled, they will execute and manage the trades for you. What's really nice about it, though, is as you can see, when a trade is triggered, my stop and my profit target are projected on the chart. So if I do want to take over the control of the trade and manage it myself, I always have that ability. However, I don't have to. I can let it go completely hands-free, and it does a pretty good job. We've got some very clever, savvy ways of managing these trades. What we do is we run the bots through the Asian Open. We let them run right through the London Open, and now we're coming into the New York Stock Exchange Open, and we have some very important information. We have what we call our leaderboard. These are the what have you done for me latelys. You know, I always say, what have you done for me lately? If you did good last week or last month, well, we were very grateful then. But we need to make money today. It's a brand new day. And these are the ones that are making money right now. The Haymaker's on fire this week. The Haymaker's already up another 1,500 today. Incredible. These 30 range on the NASDAQs are hot, 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 hot. Also on the E-mini. Our Steven on the 8U Speaking about Steven, I just spoke with Steven. Doing great. But the Steven, the 8 Unarenko Steven's on fire. $1,834. The 20U Sniper. We've always got one of these 20 Unarenkos on the NASDAQ on our leaderboard. And look at this. Unbelievable, Ray. The one morning you don't play it, it wins, right? Murphy's Law. 1 out of 3. 30,000. 30,000. 30 range, 50,000. 1 day pass. Hit today, Ray. Ay, ay, ay. Unbelievable. Good morning, Dr. Hanson. Good to see you. Good to see you, Priscilla. Good morning, Terry. Yeah, Terry, man almighty. This one, ODP won today. That's okay. We're going to do well. So this is what the leaderboard looks like. And then I always like to look at it's just good to know what's gone on the 12 or 24 hours prior to me enabling my strategies or coming here and start trading. Well, this is midnight right here. Very flat overnight. And at that economic news report at 8:30, with unemployment claims rising, the opposite is what you would expect happened. It popped up. I call it the George Costanza. Whatever you think is going to happen, play the opposite, because that's probably what will really happen. So we got a pop at 8:30, and now a retracement right back to where we were, right back to the VWAP on the E-mini. All right, Rao hit the ODP on gold. Gold's been red hot. So that's our ES. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ on the 20U. We're getting close to our power play trade. Each morning at 9:32, we let the market open at 9:30, and then we give it a few minutes to settle down. And we play our power play. So it looks like pretty much the same story. Overnight, we were flat. News report comes out at 8:30, get the big pop. The ES hits the 50,000 one-day pass. The haymaker catches the signal A long. And now we retrace and fill in that gap. And we're coming right into the market open. Which way it's going to go is anybody's guess, but what I like to do, because I know I'm going to play the power play, is I like to disable or flatten everything at this point. Go back to my strategies and let my computer, all of the system's resources, while I'm taking this trade on my live account, I'm going to enable the power play. I'm going to put my power play account on my chart trader. Very important step. If you want to see the trades on your chart, you must have the same account that's running in your strategy in your chart trader. I always get a question about the ATM. Don't worry about the ATM. It's hard coded in your strategy. Okay, we're not pinning these strategies to our chart and leveraging Ninja's ATMs. These are hard coded right into our strategy. So we don't have to worry about the ATM. The account is very important. You want it to match. I always think it's very simple if you're trading multiple prop accounts to use a trade copier. With a trade copier, we can keep our leader account, that SIM account that the strategy comes running in out of the box. Bear with me here. Okay, there we go. So I can make my leader account the power play drone, and my followers are all the Apex, and it's very seamless and simple. So very quickly, I'm ready to go. FX Blue, let me digest what you wrote and comprehend it. Give me just a moment. FX Blue, good morning. Good morning, Mark. All right, good luck, everybody. Market just opened 9:30. Our 20U is below the 50. 50's red on the 20U. We do have some running room to the upside. We do have some running room here to the upside. I'm going to try to catch it. 932. Good volume. Good volume. All right, we're set up short very quickly. We're headed to support. We need the break of support here. 931. Let's get this break. Right at 932. Let's get the break. Let's get the break. Push down. Here we go. 932. Oh, get in. There we go. We're in now. Come on, power play. Let's go. Come on. Bounce. Ah. That one came right back at us. Put us right back in. Come on. Some follow through the downside. Come on down. Come on down. Shoot. Mm. Ah. All right, I gotta stop. Oof, that hurt. Okay, I gotta stop there. I hit the max on my losing side, so I got to take the PA accounts off. Unfortunately, man, tough open. Boy, letting them trade that first 2 minutes is tough, man. Mm. Man, it looked like we were going to get some really nice price action short, and it just never happened. Never got to follow through. Same trade again. Man. Wow. Give it one more shot. See if we can get some follow through now. One short trade. Come on down. Come on. One push down. Choppy, choppy, choppy. Come on down. Come on. Give me a roll. If it gets in my window, I'm going to move my profit target. Come on down. A little further. Man almighty. Never is easy, is it? Come on down. Weather's nice down here. Come on, bounce off that 50. Let's roll. All right, my 20U momentum's headed straight up. Need a shift here. Come on down. No follow through. No follow through. We got ourselves in a nail biter here. Come on down. Come on, let's go. Come on down. Get my window. Get my window. Come on down. There you go. Keep going. So my stop locked in 250 of profits here. I'm hoping for a runner. Keep pushing down. Now break through. Break on through. Let's go. Break through. Break through. Push down. There you go. Come on down. There you go. Come on down. There you go. Come on down. Stop now. All right, nice trade. Brought those evals almost to break even. See if we get another entry short. Okay, short one more. Let's get one more roll to the downside. Come on, let's go. One more roll to the downside. Ah, man, I don't know what the heck that was. All right, let me let the other bots get in the game. We're down about 300 on these evals. Let's let the good times roll with the full portfolio. That was our power play. I took it on the chin on the PA accounts, Holy Earth. Fighting back on my evals. How's the ES trading this morning? We'll take a look. Oh, it's Linda Blair. Good morning. Good morning, Linda. So nice to see you. Market is choppy. It was. Then we got a nice move down. The power play just jumped in long, but you could see my 20U. My 50 is still red on my 20U. I'm not a great long entry. Kashid. Good morning. Come on, let's get this short roll. This is a nice entry here. I like this entry. This is a nice one. You see my 20U. Yeah, Rao is right. It's just very choppy. It is a downward trend, but you can see my 30 range is red, yellow, green. It looks like a rainbow. That's a big warning sign. When that 50 EMA is red, yellow, green, red, yellow, green. The 30 range, let's go to the E-mini. 30 range 1-day pass is back in. Let's see how it makes out. The AI ES 30 range 1-day pass. Oof. Oh my goodness. The profit target is right below support. Not a great position. In this situation, I would want to move it right above support. Give it a clear shot to my profit target. Sniper in, 8U in. Let's take a look at our leaderboard. Steven Drone is up 1,300 now. Just took a loser. Our sniper, the 20U sniper, is hot. Ooh, look at this. Here's the iBot 16U. The ES 1-day pass right back in. Had I not touched it, it would have went all the way. Ooh, we're getting a big meltdown. I'm going to turn this on. Let's go back to the power play. We're getting a big meltdown. Let's see if we break through support here. We need this break. It's trying to push through. We're getting a lot of selling pressure. Trying to break through support. It's tested this same price about 3 times now. 3 or 4 times. Hasn't broken through though. Come on, push down through. Let's see if we can break this area of support. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, fire in. Let's go. We're going to go lower. They're really selling off the NASDAQ and the E-mini. One more push down. We're going to be in this trade short. There we go. Don't bounce on me now. Don't bounce on me. That's it. Come on down. There you go. Break through. Break through. Let's go. Bounced. Let's give it a little room. Man almighty. Ouch. That one hurt. Drop down. Drop down. Dang. Man, I try to fight back. Oh, it looked good for a minute, didn't it? That ES 1-day pass is just hit another one. It's up $6,000 very quickly. The 20U sniper's up 3,000. Hit the profit goal. Mack truck is up just under 1,000. Oh, great job, Marcy. Great job. You did much better than me. I'm so happy. I know, I know. That one hurt, Tony. I'm not going to touch my PAs because I hit my loss limit, but I'm open to trading my evals. Congrats, Marcy. Yes. Great job. Here's the 20U. Still set up for a short. The IBOT 1 minute is in a short on the and it's showing on my 20U. Do we get a retracement now? Sam's made 750. All right, one more day. Apex, give me my payouts on two PAs. Great job, Sam. Man, you're on a roll. What did you do? You waited till 10 o'clock today or 9:45? Is that what you did? You waited till 9:45? Yeah, 9:45. You caught that huge move down. Good call, Sam. What a beautiful time to take that trade at 9:45. My goodness. Thing dropped like a rock for you. Oh, man. Great job. That couldn't have went any better. Sam has just been crushing it. Man, now let me tell you, this sniper is on fire today. Let's take a look at this NQ20U sniper. It's up 3 grand. It's in a tough one right now. On a market that's trending down, it took a counter trend trade, and it's long. Could spell trouble. Oh, hey, Bobby. Any market news? Oh, unbelievable. Look at that. Ooh, that went all the way. That one went all the way. The 1 day pass, 30 range 1 day pass scored. Let's take a look at Steven. Steven's been kind of finding the ebb and flow today. Let's take a look. Can be a very exciting strategy. When it's hot, it's unstoppable. This spot held the single day record for a while. Take a quick look at the gold chart. Gold is very choppy right now. Getting chopped to pieces on gold. They're low volume. Remember yesterday we were at 1,000 contracts a minute? Now we're just under 100. Back to the NASDAQ, the 20U. Man, I'll tell you, if the sniper pulls this one off, I'll be amazed. Man, this thing's coming all the way back. Can it break through? It's got a lot of upside resistance. Let's see if it can break through this. It's trying to make a comeback. See if we can break through the 50 now on this 20U. This is where it's a big level of resistance, is that 50 EMA. Let's see if it can break through this time. Come on, keep pushing it up. 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Bounced again. Steven just jumped in long. Good comeback, Marcy. Great comeback. You took that first loser and kept your composure and got it back. Great job. That ES30 range moneymaker is up 1,500 this week. That's running on the E-mini. Let's keep an eye on the. Let's take a look at the E-mini chart on a 30 range. We're in a trade on the IBOT ES20 range. IBOT ES20 range in a short trade. Yeah, that 20U sniper is red hot. Red hot. How's your Mack truck doing today, Terry? Here we go. We're getting a push to the upside. Having trouble getting through all of this upside resistance. That sniper trade could come back. Here we go. Here we go. We're getting the push to the upside. Man, what a trade. What a comeback. That sniper. All the risk is off on that trade. Man, that one came back from the depths. Down 300. Wow. Just went short. Haymaker drone is up 3,300 for the week. Tomorrow is Friday, God willing. We're going to do a weekly review, and I'm just seeing what's on the radar. That 30 range Haymaker's having a big week. 3,300. This is the 30. This is the 30 range Haymaker for the week. 3,300. Yeah, I saw this yesterday. It loves this overnight session, 2:30 to 4:30. And it loves that 9:30 to 10. Interesting. 9:30 to 10 on the Haymaker. We would get those entries on our power play. That's signal A. I tell you, I've been sitting here thinking about Sam's strategy at 9:45, and I think I'm going to pivot to that. Um, I feel like I'm diving in head first. Why not let a few trades go by? Yesterday we were patient and waited till about 10 o'clock and finally found a really nice entry. Okay, the iBot, the 1 minute's doing well. 24 Unorenko. All right, let's take a look at the leaderboard. The leaderboard was the 1 day pass on the ES hit a few times. The 20 Unorenko sniper, the best bot today. The 20U, whether it be the Mack truck or the sniper, usually is on my leaderboard. The NASDAQ 20U. Great job, Carol. Wow. Congratulations. Congratulations. Gold and 1 ES. Wow, you've been really doing great on gold. Man, I didn't see it on today's gold chart. Maybe I didn't look back far enough. Oh, here we go. Now it's getting some nice moves. The volume's picked up a little bit. Signal A. Two PAs. All right. The Steven 8 Unorenko did well. 30 range haymaker we discussed. 1 minute on the iBot. 4 Unorenko ES on the iBots. The 30 range smart velocity is up 440. The iBot ES20 range 406. NASDAQ 30 range, the velocity drone is up 363. Our 30 range Starbot on the E-mini did well. And bringing up the rear is the Micro E-mini, up 23.99. We have a great presentation today by Mr. David the Kushner. Very disciplined, patient, has a rules-based plan that he follows to a T. No deviations. I'm going to drop a link in the chat box here. Personally, I had a bad day today. My PA accounts down 700 across all three of them. I can't hide from it. I got to own it. A miserable day today. They happen. Okay, let me find David Kushner's link. I think tomorrow I'm going to pivot to the 945. I think Sam is very wise and prudent to give it an extra 15 minutes. There's no rush. We had a really great meeting this morning regarding right line funding. Right line funding. We're going to be launching the new prop firm. You can find it at rightlinefunding.com. We're discussing having some really fantastic prizes and contests. Inside of our portal, there's a leaderboard, and we're going to do a weekly cash giveaway. And it's not just for the top winner, it's for the top 10. Top 10, you're going to win money. And we're going to have a contest. Everybody wins. And we encourage, our business model is not going to be depending on people blowing out their accounts. It's going to be more based on people winning rather than losing. So today at 7 p.m., if you can't make it at 7 p.m. Eastern, register anyway because we're going to send you the replay. David Kushner is going to be sharing his winning formula for prop traders. The winning formula for prop traders. And I'm going to put the registration link in the chat box here in just a minute. I have to first put it on a notepad. Equals YouTube. Here's the trade performance. This is the trade performance on my funded accounts since January. Since January, if we look at it on a weekly, you can see that I've been very consistent. There have been a couple of weeks that we were in the red. For the most part, though, they're profitable weeks. Here's one week where I lost 900 across on each account across 3 accounts for 2,700 loss. Here's a losing week of 300 per account. And now I'm in jeopardy. I'm in jeopardy this week. I'm down 1665 across the 3 accounts. But my total is I'm plus 31,000. Plus 31,000. And that's since January on my PA account. So really nice equity curve. Tomorrow I need to try to recoup some of that $1,600 that I'm down. And I always learn something. Every time I have a losing day, I try to take a lesson out of it. Yes, the spirit of the power play strategy does want to capture that volatility of the market open. But I think we could still do it at 9:45. At least at 9:32, I always liken it to watching if you're playing golf. The person closest to the hole when you're on the green has the advantage because he doesn't putt first. The person that putts first is the person furthest away from the hole. So that person that's furthest away goes first and shows everyone else what the condition of the green is, right? Which way the ball's going to break. And I think there's an advantage of that to see price action. If that first trade comes out of the gun, out of the starter's box, and gets a full winner, well, be that as it may, I can't have FOMO about that. Let the winner go by. Let's see what the market looks like. So I think I'm going to pivot to that strategy. It's been working for Sam. He's proof. Okay, here comes the link. Here comes first. I'm going to put in the title. It's going to be, where's my chat? Today at 7 p.m. Today at 7 p.m. Eastern. The winning formula for prop traders. And there's the registration link. And David Kushner. Listen, he does, he last year over $100,000 he made in payouts between Buell Knox and Apex trading our system. He has a unique style, a particular rules-based setup that he waits for with incredible patience and discipline. The sniper's right back in. Look at this sniper go today. It's unstoppable. The haymaker right back in. So my 1-2 punch today has been the sniper on the 20U, the haymaker on the 30 range, and having that leaderboard. Even though there's no guarantee they're going to continue to win, I think there is value in seeing which ones are doing the best in today's session. That 20U sniper just continued to run up the score throughout the whole session. Terry, I wish I would have told you that one yesterday. I was debating between the Mack truck and the sniper, and I told you the Mack truck. Is the funding a white label of Apex? No. No, Linda, it's not. With those stats, why? I don't know, Linda. You got to ask them. No idea. Okay. All right. Last trade. Last trade. Please, if you would, please like my video here on YouTube. And it always helps with the algorithm. God willing, we'll be back tomorrow, same time, same place, same channel. You're invited. Come join me. We're going to do a weekly recap. Coming up right behind me And the haymaker, bam, and the sniper crash through the profit target. And we've got ourselves a bounce to the upside. The market has shifted and it's starting to retrace from that big move down. It's only 10:30. The market's only been open an hour since 9:30. The ES4U is in, and the moneymaker. Wow. Great job, Rao. Incredible. Rao is such a talented, gifted trader. Great job, Rao. Coming up right behind me. Now, market the price just retraced right to the VWAP on the E-mini. So it'll be interesting to see what it does right here. The VWAP happens to be right on the 50 EMA. Incredible, huh? But David Wise is coming up right behind me. Today's going to be his last day, actually. He's going on vacation, a well-deserved vacation. Today's his last day. If you haven't joined him before, he trades the SPY super system, leverages Heikin-Ashi candles. Very responsive to questions. He loves teaching. He's a professional trader, does it for a living. You're very humble, Rao. You're a humble guy. Linda, I think everybody has losing days. That's kind of a silly question, don't you think? Nobody wins every day. You did great, Marcy. You did great. All right, 2 more minutes and we'll shut it down. I'm curious to see if the E-mini breaks through the VWAP. No, that's really great because when you take a loser, everyone gets rattled. And to maintain your composure and have the ability to stay in the game and keep your wits about you and come back is really great. Great job. Sure, Rao, we all have. God bless you, Linda. If you want to talk, this it's really not the appropriate venue, but if you want to talk, call the office and call me. You don't have to insult me on YouTube. You can call me and insult me. I think that would be more appropriate. Here's my phone number. If you have any type of problem with right line trading or with me personally, please call the office and let's handle it like adults. Please. I think that's a fair request. All right. I hope everybody has a blessed day, and please come back and see us tomorrow. We're going to do it again, God willing, same time, same place. I hope everybody has a blessed rest of their day. Thank you, Terrence. I appreciate that. All right, Rao. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day, everybody. Let's try and close the week tomorrow on a positive note. It was a rough day today for me personally, but I was glad to see that some of you did really well. Congratulations. Thank you, Dukester. Yeah, hopefully, Gene. Hopefully. Yes, sir, Mukhtar. Have a great day, everybody. I'll see you again tomorrow. So long.